Like, rate, comment, subscribe. Do something. I don't know. Anyways, sunny day. Working on the Green Giant. Don't know how much I've talked about the shifting issues. About January, I think it was. Maybe just before January. Must have been January. Maybe February. I don't know. Somewhere in there. The transmission stopped shifting. I could manually shift it into second gear, but drive would just sit in third gear. So we're trying to fix that. I've put on a new transmission harness, or new wires from the fuse box to the transmission, no change. After fiddling around with it a bunch of times, for a second there it worked. Actually shifted. Let me see. I've cleaned the crap out of the plug. No change. Checked the fuses, nothing. Cleared the computer, nothing. So, got a new gasket, filter, and a new harness with a new solenoid. Whatever this one is. This is something to do with the torque converter. So is this one here. On the old transmission, one of these solenoids is broken. I'll grab those later. I tested all of them. All the other ones worked fine. Plug is clean. But while I'm doing that, I don't think I ever talked about how every time I put it in drive or I'd start going, the transmission would clunk really bad. Little buddy here. Let's flip this around. You can hear how floppy that is in there. And just look how gnarly that looks. So, I got a new one. I'm not sure why this bottom piece is that loose. Don't get that, but we can get that in. That will hopefully make that better. Got the pan drained already. Now I'm going to pull the pan off and get all that stuff done. So I'll be back. Alright, here we go. So here's the one for my transmission that broke. Same as this one, so that's good. Here's the one in this transmission that broke. And here's the one from my transmission. Now we did mod this one. Poor man shift kit. Come on. There we go. Forget what that does. But the only issue is this one, if we can get it in the light, the plug is cracked on this one also. So I'm not sure what to do about that. I think I'm just going to stick it in, order a new solenoid kit, and just drive this. Well, I can put this in and drive it till it breaks and then order the new one. But I can also wrap that because that's not in the valve body. That part sticks out. So we'll see. I'm going to put this stuff back together, fill with fluid, and see what's up. So yeah, I'll be back. Alright boys, it's been a few days. Got the transmission working. Now, I got super frustrated because I tried two ECUs, mine and another one. No different. I replaced all the fuses everybody said to replace. They were good. Didn't make any difference. I replaced the harness going from the transmission up to the fuse box out here. That didn't do anything. I thought because of my tires and I don't have wheel liners in, that my tires were kicking up snow and mud and salt and crap into the fuse box or whatever and onto the wires. Didn't change anything. Obviously you just saw... Okay, well, let's cut that out. Obviously you just saw that I replaced the solenoids, or the one broken one. I also put in the new wire harness with the one solenoid that's attached to it in the transmission. No change. So I got super frustrated, didn't know what to do, just wanted to cry, didn't want to take my truck to the shop for this bullshit that should just be working. So I said, something is stopping communication from my ECU to the transmission. At least for the solenoids. Like, it would read the transmission temp and what gear I was in. Because I could shift into 2, and my phone, I got a Bluetooth scanner app and a scanner. And it would tell me that the gear was in 2nd gear. I could manually shift into 2nd, and if I put it into drive, it would go into 3rd gear. And it would tell me the slip amount of the torque converter and the temperature of the transmission. So I knew the wires must be good, and I didn't want to hack into this harness into there, but I did anyways, just because, you know, maybe, whatever. So I'll show you. I pulled every fuse in here and in the cab of the truck. This top red one here was blown. Ignition, 0. 10 amps, that's the one that was blown. Now it works, and it's amazing, and my truck feels like it's supposed to. So, now I just want to get my exhaust fixed, new front pads, get the rear brakes working properly, and replace the harness for the NOx sensors, because pulling the intake off a whole bunch of times, I stretched them out or broke it or whatever, I don't know. But they're not working. And fixing that will get me a little bit more power and a little bit more fuel economy. Oh, and one of these days I will have to pop that transmission pan off and pull that one thing out, but hopefully by then I will have a 4L80E to swap in and make everything better. Anyways, don't give up. Keep trying shit. Because look at me. This shit's been broken for months, and I finally figured it out. So, peace out. Mike says, like, rate, comment, subscribe. Watch a new video. Subscribe. I don't know. Figure it out. Meow, meow, meow.